G'day everyone, and thanks for stopping by today. Well, I'm going to do an art journal and I found a quote that I'm going to work around, which is by Joseph Campbell. And the quote is, "Follow your bliss and the universe will open doors where there were only walls." And I thought this was really good because I really did want to use my wall stencil. So I've got a KaiserCraft wall stencil that I'm going to utilize. But first of all, I'm just going to do the background just with some paint, and I'm just going to apply that with a baby wipe. Now the paint that I am using is by KaiserCraft and it is on the thinner side, so I'm just going to apply it, as I said, with the baby wipe, but I'm also using my finger just to rub over it, just to give it a little bit of texture. I'm also going to utilise a stencil by Tim Holtz, and I'm just going to use this fuchsia colour with a sponge, and this is also by KaiserCraft also. So this will give some nice texture in the background. I'm also going to splatter some paint all over the page, and I just water it down before I apply it with a paintbrush. So as long as the paint is on the thinner side, so this paint is already thin, but I do water it down considerably, and then I just splatter it all over the page. Just going to dry that off before I move on. Now I really do hate wasting paint, so while I've got a stencil that I found on my desk here, I'm just going to use this leftover paint to apply it through the stencil, and then that will be a page that I can work on down the track. Now I'm just going to use this wall stencil by KaiserCraft, and I'm just going to do a border just on the outside of the pages, so just the left and right hand sides here. And I'm just using a black paint and just sponging the paint through. So I've got a white gel pen here, and I'm just going to doodle the bricks in. Now I just have a normal lead pencil here, and I'm just going to pencil in my quote on the page. I do this because I do want to make sure that the quote is going to fit. Now I have got a Posca paint pen here, and it's like a bluey grey colour, so I'm going to use that to write my quote out. Now I decided that I'm going to use my white Posca paint pen, and I'm just going to outline every letter in each word out. So I'm just going to erase all the lead pencil on my page, and then that'll be my page done. I hope you found some inspiration. This took no time at all. It probably was a 15-minute art journal page today. So I hope you've enjoyed this. If you have, please give me your thumbs up. If you haven't done so already, please consider subscribing to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. And until next time, happy crafting. See ya!